everybody, JP here for Summer Love and Jeep. It is Thursday, April 25th, out working on the trailer again. Just a quick little update video just to show you the progress of the trailer, and just continuing what I did 2 days ago. And actually I came out last night for an hour and a half and I did some work too, so I'll show you how that looks, and that's about it. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell, you'll get an update when our new video comes out, and follow along. Help us grow this channel, and hopefully we'll eventually get this trailer done. Alright, here we go.
I remember the first time you said you loved me. I waited all weekend, you never called me. So you find him attractive, so what if he is? You like some excitement, you gotta say yes. So it goes on that.
Alright, so here you can see the section that we did 2 days ago on the 23rd. You can see it's primered here. Last night I came out and I did the whole front area here where the tongue box is going to be, and here. So this is all pretty much sandblasted, grinded, and now primered. Also, what I also had to do, I came back today and I grinded the top sheet down just so it's flush, so when I put on the side panel that matches up nice. And now I'm working on this side. This side I had primered before the winter, but I'm actually going back and just cleaning up the welds here, and you can see I'm trying to make it smooth and rounded so we don't really hurt ourselves if we happen to catch an edge. I did that here earlier before. Now I'm just going to go back and blast off all this rust, and that's where we're at today. So just a little more grinding, sandblasting on the outside, get that all taken care of, and then start on the inside. So I finished grinding up that whole side where the fenders are. I rounded off the corners, got them all nice and flattened out the welds and everything. It's like the afternoon. This place is turning into a zoo. The planes are flying, the lawnmowers are going. So I'm just gonna blast now the rust sections that I have left to blast. Once I do that, I'll probably go back over it with the grinder again, and then throw on some primer, and then probably call it a afternoon. I gotta be at work tonight at 7. So, all right, let's get going with the blaster. All right, so slight change of hands. Something's wrong with my compressor. It's spewing oil, so I couldn't sandblast. So I just spent the last 20 minutes just grinding away, cleaning up whatever I could clean up, and I'm just gonna throw on some primer on everything that I cleaned up so that doesn't rust, and everything I smoothed out. So that's where I'm at for today. Now I got to figure out what's wrong with the compressor. All right. So not a great day, but not a bad day. Alright, so it's all primed, and just gonna let it dry before I throw on the tarps. It's like 5:15. They're saying rain's coming at 6. I gotta be at work at 7, and that's about it. Alright, so let me show you quickly all the spots that I hit. That's it for today. I'm just gonna put away the tools and call it a day. Alright, so here's everywhere I hit. I just retouched up down here, cleaned up where the shower box is. So I tried to smooth out here, make it flush. I still gotta do a full bead weld up here, but it should be easier now that it's not like overhanging by like 1/4 of an inch. So here, retouched up here, made that flush so that the panel will go on there nice and easy. So this front bumper is all ground down smooth and rounded and primed. Same over here and the back and around. Alright, so the biggest pain in the butt is going to be inside. That's all rust. Yeah. Alright, so just a quick thing before I go. Some people will probably ask why don't I just use like the Pure 15, the rust inhibitor that you can just basically throw down right on rust, and that'll basically eliminate any need to clean all this. I might go that route, but the issue is I have to put in the slides here for the kitchen, supports for the water tank, and slides for a possible fridge back there, and I still have to be able to weld. So maybe what I might do is just grind out areas that I can then weld the supports in, leave everything else rust, and then once this is all done, coat it with the Pure 15, because then I'll probably end up putting like a paint-in rhino liner or even just a regular paint. So that's something that I'm thinking about right now. Alright, so that's everything I did today. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, ask any questions. I'm not the greatest at doing all this stuff, but I can probably tell you a lot of mistakes that I've made, and I've made a lot. So I'm trying to learn from all my mistakes in this process and just get better at what I'm doing. And if you decide to embark on making something of your own similar to what I'm making, I'll give you some tips and let you know some of the problems to face. So, alright, thanks again for watching. Tomorrow is Friday. Have a great weekend, and maybe a new video on Monday. Alright.